Let's see what's inside the box. These are labor laws and I'm going to explain every change that has happened. It's going to impact your life. Let's figure out together. On November 21st, India replaced 29 labor laws, some of them from 1930s, to the new 4 labor codes. This affects 40 crore Indians and you could be one of them. Let me actually break it down the entire thing in simple words. Before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter Inside the Box so that you don't miss any pension and retirement related information. Let's start with the first code, which is code for wages. First, universal wages for everyone. Gender pay discrimination is banned. Exit settlement within 2 days, not months. Second code is about industrial relations code, which means that contract workers will also get access to gratuity within a year, not 5 years. Companies are allowed to lay off anyone without the government approval if they have workforce less than 300. Earlier this was 100. I'm not sure whether this is good or bad. Do let us know in the comments. Third, social security code, which means your basic pay will become 50% of your CTC, not 30, 40 or 20. It will be standard for everyone. Gig workers will also be covered. So Zomato, Swiggy, Uber, everyone has to make sure that they get social security for their delivery partners and workers as well. Fourth, safety code, which means you need 1 registration instead of 6. Women can work night shift and companies have to accommodate that. Everyone gets appointment letter with clear-cut conditions and rules and regulations for everyone to understand before they join the company. So what does this mean for your money? Obviously, your paycheck will get impacted. Because your basic has increased to 50%, your PF will also increase by certain amount and your in-hand salary will decrease by X amount as well. For example, if you're earning 10 lakhs a year, your in-hand salary might drop by 2,400 rupees, but your PF annually will increase by 28,400 altogether, which means little discomfort in the very initial stage, but a higher savings for your retirement and your better future. These changes might be helpful for someone, might not be helpful for someone, but these are big changes in a positive direction. This might help many people in the retirement phase because your PF and your NPS contribution will increase, but might give you some discomfort in the initial bit because your in-hand salary might decrease with a small number. But the best part was that the gig workers and the people who are not included in such forms now will be included and they will have some savings and some social security covered as well. We don't know whether these codes will stand the test of time, but the positive direction of change is definitely there. We have to watch out for all these things in a long term. That's it for today. I hope this helps. Do not forget to subscribe to the newsletter Inside the Box and see you in the next video.